If you need to remove a payment method from your Postmates account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In Account Settings, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Payment. Tap on it to view the list of payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Choose a payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. Tap on it to view more details and look for an option to delete or remove the payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the option to remove the payment method, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Confirm the removal, and your payment method will be deleted from your account. Once you have completed these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from your Postmates account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Postmates support for further assistance.